Hey, what's up, buddies? How are you? Hope you're fine now. So, guys, finally, Axie Infinity start changes positive. Guys, now the Theta network price in the market is positive, and I believe that for long term they continue this kind of positive changes. So, I think it's time to hold, guys. Now, guys, if you're new to my channel, so first of all, click the subscribe button. Subscribe now, ABS Tech channel. 76.46 USD dollar. That is the current price of the Axie Infinity. And other side, if we talk about the changes occurring in Axie Infinity, so now you can see last 1 hour changes is negative, 1 day, 1 week changes of the Axie Infinity is completely positive. So guys, everything will be okay with the time. Now guys, the pumps of the Axie Infinity are start, so get ready and participate. If you want to buy Axie Infinity, so I think it is good time because now at this time the chain is in the upward mode. You can see here, guys, from the 9th August they start moving and still they are in the jumping mode. Anyways, guys, if the new listing of the Axie Infinity comes, so unbelievable changes will occur in the Axie Infinity. So guys, I think it's time to invest in the Axie Infinity. What do you think about that? What is your opinion about Axie Infinity? Also share on the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos about Axie Infinity.